coming to me. Don't go to me. Go to Livy. She's got the brush. She's got the brush, silly cat.
I think she wants you.
You think she wants me? Yeah, she's my baby kitty.
No, it's mine.
She's your kitty too.
Mimi, over here.
Is she being coy?
No, I think
Here she comes. Here she comes.
Yeah.
Come on, Mimi. Come on. Go to Livy.
Oh,
Put the brush out for her to smell. Go on, go brush her.
Oh,
Aw, you guys are friends. She does love you.
I think she's walking away from me.
Aw.
She's friends with me.
Yeah, give her a kiss.
I love her.
You love her?
Yeah, she just drooled at me.
What does it mean when she drools?
Happy.
She's happy?
Yeah, is she happy?
I think so. You're a good...
Oh, like she was the chair.
You're a good friend to Mimi.
No, I think...
Does she scratch you anymore?
No.